Hello again, my brilliant learners. I'm always happy to see you here, growing your English one word at a time. And today's word, well, it's simple, polite, and full of good manners. Today, we're going to learn the word decent. So, what does decent mean? Decent means good enough, fair, or respectful. Not amazing, but not bad either. You can use it to describe a person, behavior, clothes, or even food. It's a kind, balanced word, not too strong, not too weak. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word decent. He's a decent guy, always kind and respectful. I found a decent hotel near the station. We had a decent meal at that little cafe. Please wear something decent to the party. No pajamas. It wasn't perfect, but it was a decent effort. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember decent in context. Last Friday, I went to a job interview. I wore a decent shirt and trousers. Nothing too fancy, but clean and smart. The office was small, but the people seemed friendly. We talked about work, hobbies, and goals. I didn't know if I said all the right things, but when I left, I felt like I did a decent job. The next day, I got a phone call. They offered me the position. Your attitude was decent and honest, they said. And sometimes, being decent is exactly what people are looking for. So, that's the word decent. A quiet, respectful way to say good enough or nice. Use it when you want to sound polite, fair, or balanced. See you next time for another great word. Take care and keep learning.